Welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to back up your Redmi 15C. So let's say for instance you have data that you'd like to back up. It's pretty simple. All you have to do is open the settings app on your device. And then within the settings, scroll down and select Google. So here it is. Tap on it. And then from here, simply select all services. And then within the services, scroll down until you find the backup and restore section. So here it is. And then all you have to do is select backup. Now at this page, you should see the account storage that you'll back up your information to. So this is the account that I'll back up my data to. And then you can scroll down and see the backup details. You can see the apps that have been backed up. You can see also the photos and videos and all the other information. Additionally, you can choose to back up using mobile or metered Wi-Fi data if you want. So you can enable that or disable it to suit your needs. Now once you've done that, scroll back up and you should see the option backup now. So tap on it and then you have to confirm your identity by typing in your screen lock. And then once you type in your screen lock, your device will start backing up its data. So that's basically it on how to back up data on your Redmi 15C. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below. And if you found this video useful, consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel.